Hi there, I'm Debbie Shearer, an events manager. When COVID hit, the whole events industry here was just decimated. So I was tasked with coming up with a way to still engage with all of our members. I very quickly jumped online and came across the virtual events campus. I was blown away by the amount of information they said they were going to provide, and I signed up immediately. It was the best thing I ever did. Just 2 weeks into the course, I already had the confidence to do a full presentation to the management team about how we could engage on the same level on a virtual and hybrid basis. I've become a bit of an expert in the virtual hybrid space just because of the knowledge I have gained from the virtual events campus. So I would definitely recommend the virtual events campus to anybody who's considering doing it.
Hi, I'm Shirley Rhodes. I'm the event director at McCullum Hall Limited. When lockdown happened back in March, we had not a clue how to handle any of our events pivoting to virtual. It's nothing that we'd ever done before, and my MD invested in me doing the training course to better equip myself and the team to ensure that our clients could be serviced virtually or hybrid until we were back out of lockdown. Having done the course, I can talk with confidence. I feel completely knowledgeable and well equipped to be able to deliver a virtual event. We've since pivoted an awards online, and we are in the process of pivoting our biggest conference and expo to a virtual platform. And I couldn't have done that without the training that I received from Will. So thank you, Will. We are eternally grateful, and so are my clients, because we can still service them.
Hi, my name is Louise Simpson and I'm the Development Director for the Institute of Chartered Foresters. We're a very small organisation, and events is only one of the many things that we do. But like a lot of other organisations this year, we had to postpone our national conference and look at alternative ways of hosting it. Quite frankly, going online was a fairly overwhelming prospect, but thanks to William's Pivoting Your Event online course, we feel a lot more confident about doing that. William gave us a blueprint that helped us engage with what sort of platforms we wanted. It helped us understand the importance of evergreen content and looking at the sort of making an event as truly interactive and engaging as possible. Thank you.